We are here, guys, sa Bansada Agric Farm. uh, LGU LGU to. So may yung entrance mo goes to the local government. Ito yung hagdanan na uh, papunta dito sa peak. It's composed of 335 steps. Wow! Ito din ang view. Wow! Grabe. Okay ito ah. Worth it. Worth it ang 35 entrance, including 10 pesos for the parking sa motor. Ito yung view, guys. Overlooking Sultan Kudarat.